Hello again, grade 6. Welcome to our video about our citations. This is a review of what we've already talked about in class. If you're working on your project and you're wondering, oh, how do I do a citation again for a personal interview or a primary source, something that I'm going to be doing while I'm doing my family tree project. This is the template, and I'll give you a short explanation again of how to use the different information that you have well here. So we use citations when we want to give credit to the person or thing that has given us the information. And so we are seekers of truth, but we don't know it. That's why we're doing research. It's because we don't already have it in our brain. And so if it's not from our brain, we can't claim it as our knowledge. Okay, so that's why we do our citations. We give credit to the person who has already got the knowledge. Okay, so we cite that person, say, don't trust me, trust this person. This is what they say, or this thing, this is what it teaches us. So, for a personal interview, okay, say you give me a personal interview about my time at university or something like that, and I give you my interview on January 21st, 2019. Okay, you would have to document all this, and you would take my last name, not my first name, my last name, and you would actually put it first, followed by a comma, and then my first name. So the person who's being interviewed, put the name of that person, comma, and then first name, last name goes first, switch it around, then a period, full stop, and then the type of source. So you conducted a personal interview with me, you say personal interview, okay? Personal interview, and then the date that you gave it, the information that was given. Now, Miss Jenna is the one with the cell phone, the camera, she takes all the pictures. You go to her, like, we need a photograph, okay? We need something from Mr. Chris's days in university. And so you go to her, and you receive a photograph from Miss Jenna, she's the one who took it, and you would say, last name first, Suitsma, Jenna, type of source, photograph, okay, and on the day that you got it, December 7th, 2018, or the day the picture was taken. And so that way we have a time, a frame, and we can go back and say, on this date, we had a personal interview. Maybe you will be interviewing or using a newspaper, and so you can take the last name, the first name of the source, put your newspaper into there. We will be using our MLA citation site in the weeks to come, but I will teach you how to do that when it's time. Right now, simple interviews, finding other things simply for this project, this is what you are to use. If you have any more questions about this, don't hesitate to email me and ask me. As always, have a nice day.